So, in this video we're going to look at doing a Pearson correlation using R. We're going to be using the example data from chapter 11 in the book, which is on the pressure in the eyes and the blood to the eyes. You can read more about it in chapter 11. And we're also going to use the code, the R code that's in the help sheet available on the online resource centre. Here it is, example in front of you. The first section of this help sheet shows you how to create a tab delimited file using Excel, which can be imported into R to do the for the analysis to be conducted on. You can see that we've got the data in the first column is the ID of the individual. It's just really a reference column, this one here, and then you've got the pressure in the eye here and the pressure in the blood here. You can either make a file using this guidance, or you can download a pre-made copy of the file from the online resource centre. Okay, we're ready to get on with the analysis. So what we need is R up in front of us now. So here's R. It's set up the way I like it, with the console on the console window on the right and the R editor window on the left. If you want to know how to make it look like that, then you need to look at the introductory video. Now to get the code, go back to the help sheet, find the code, copy and paste. So highlight it, and then I'm copying by right clicking, copy, and then back to the R editor window, paste it in there. Just a bit of tidying up. Just make sure that the two bits of the code are separate. That's not functionality, that's just for appearance and following it. Then if we go up here, we want to make sure all those notes are on the same line, to remove that return there. Okay, so now we need to change the stars to words relevant to our example, and I'm going to use the word eyes for the object in which I'm going to put the data in. And there we go, eyes. And then let's highlight this and run this bit of code first. Then we're navigating to find the data, which I stored on my desktop, and down to, there we go, and we can see that we've got ID, eye and blood as the column labels. Now we're ready to go and do our correlation test, which is actually down here. So we want this to be, these two stars here are the two variables that we're going to correlate, which are eye and blood. And then we're ready to highlight that and run it. There we go. So there's your result of your correlation. There's your if we get the help sheet back up, it'll have the annotations on for us. There's the statistic, which is also the effect size in this case, the confidence intervals of the effect size, and there's the degrees of freedom and associated T statistic. You would usually report the statistic here, the R statistic, and the degrees of freedom, and then you're done.